Here in Washington State, we've been voting by mail for many years. I want to make certain that your ballot is counted. Start with the Voters Pamphlet. This document will give you background on all of the candidates, all of the referendums, initiatives, etc. Then, on October 16th, you will receive your ballot in the mail. They're mailing on the 16th. Inside this envelope are a number of important pieces. You will find your return envelope with postage paid. You will find your security sleeve, which makes certain that your ballot is anonymous. And you will find your official general election ballot. The ballot has instructions on the left-hand side that include using a black or blue pen to cast your ballot. If you make a mistake, simply make a line through and make a different choice. There are places to fill in a candidate that you can write in, and you do not have to vote on every ballot issue. Remember, in Washington State, our ballots will be double-sided, so there are important races on both sides. Make certain that you have filled out everything you intend to vote for. You do not have to rush. You have all the time to use your voter pamphlet to carefully consider your votes. When you are finished, fold your ballot and place it in the security sleeve. The security sleeve ensures your anonymous vote, and it is not sealed. Then place your security sleeve in your return envelope, postage paid. On the back, you will see your voter declaration, your signature, date, and a phone if you choose to include it. If you are concerned that your signature is shaky or it may not match your voter registration signature, simply mark with an X, date, and have two people witness your signature. This is important. You must sign this envelope in order for your ballot to be included. Seal this envelope and then mail it or deliver to your local courthouse. Thank you so much for being a part of the democratic process.